Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Flora Ondisa from Kenya. If you are new here, please consider subscribing and remember to leave the notification on so that whenever I upload the video, you are the first one to be notified. In this video, as you can see, I'm going to cook with you these sausages and bacon, guys. So stay tuned as I start cooking. There I'm cutting my sausages, guys. I'll have to start cutting them. After that, I'll have to cut the bacon. Remember to like the video, guys. Yeah, the kids just like this type of cooking, bacon and sausages. They don't like those ones for boiling and frying them with oil. So stay tuned. Those are the ingredients for cooking my bacon and sausage. We have carrots, grated carrots, tomatoes and onions, plus garlic. So I'll start boiling my bacon and sausage. So let's wait for a few minutes. Then we start frying them. I already made my onions, tomatoes, carrots, ginger, and garlic. So let me start putting oil. After that, I'll have to add onions. Then I'll have to put tomatoes. After adding that salt. Let's add our grated carrots, guys. Then I'll have to put my ginger and garlic. Wow, it looks so yummy. I'll have to add the tomato paste. Remember to subscribe, guys, if not yet subscribed to this channel, and you share the video to your good friends, guys. There I have added my bacon and sausages. I'll have to stir. Remember, I had already boiled this bacon and sausages, so there I'll have just to put and stir it. Wait for a few minutes, it will be ready. It will be ready cooked. Guys, you can also support the channel by buying super thanks. Remember, this is breakfast. Breakfast. There I have my tortilla wraps. They are called tortilla wraps. It is already made, but I will just put it on a pan. It is already made. A wrap tortilla. It is ready. So let's add our bacon and sausages. Then I will have to wrap it. Yes. Wow, it looks so delicious. Breakfast. A heavy breakfast, guys.